Hi, welcome to Mixing Like a Pro. This is Danny. Today I want to go over music production, and I'm going to just do a breakdown of a song that I did about maybe 8 years ago. So it's been a while. It's kind of a pop song, pop, and everything was produced in the box. So there were no live instruments. We didn't harm any drum set during the recording of this project. Jokes aside, so I just want to show you kind of the thought process behind the choices that I made in terms of instrument. All right, so welcome to the session right here. I'm using Pro Tools, but that's not the main thing. We're just gonna go over the track. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to play you a bit of the song from the beginning.
Could it be that we were made to be together for eternity, sent from above? Now I'm so in love, yeah. Could it be you really do love me in spite of everything I've done? You proved to be all that I need, yeah. Well, I've been hurt so many times. See, I thought I would lose my mind, but I didn't know that I could be loved this way. You are, you are, you are, you are the air I breathe, the song I sing, yeah. You are, you are, you are, you are the air I breathe, the song I sing, yeah. You are, you are, you are, you are. You picked me up and carried me, yes, till I could walk on my own. You taught me step by step how to trust you, yes. And now I can fly and I can dance, 'cause I've got another chance. Now we can love again. Can't believe that you came along, gave me reason to write this song, 'cause you inspire me over and over again. You are, you are, you are, you are the air I breathe.
Okay, so that's back to the chorus again. Cool. So the idea, I remember, this is a long time. I mean, the artist came to the studio. She had, I believe, the verse and the chorus, and the studio was the bridge, which I'm gonna play later, is kind of what we came up with, because I was like, I think we need more for this. So it's just, I was playing on the piano then, and then she was writing some ideas were flowing. The intro, kind of just so we can hear in the intro before the voice came in, it was to repeat some of the phrase. You are, you are, you are, you are. So I decided to build the song. Just came in with very little instruments. Let me scroll to the top. Just the kick drum and the synth right here. So playing that melody. So one thing here to notice now, right? Say I played. So this is where you want to stack instrument to make it sound bigger and full. So here I have just playing that melody, pam 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 pam, and you can see it. That's the only time I actually use this one in the track. then this one has the poking top end to it, and then there's another one, all three together. Okay, and then supporting that is this pad right here, because this is very rhythmic, right? So I needed something to sustain, and I'm gonna mute it first. So at the beginning, that's just the kick drum, and then pam 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 pam. Too much emptiness in there, right? So I thought to introduce the pad, and as you can see here, the pad was only coming in at the intro, basically, and then not much at the end actually. So it's like, how can I make the intro a little bit not too dry, not too much stuff going on in there, but just gently coming in before the verse. So let me play that. Then just one note all through, and then there's another instrument coming in here. Okay, so you see the first few bars right there, I'll say first four, right? Then I introduced this boom, and then another one coming after right here. That's when all of the vocals, right, I have here all in the parts and the main melody came in. There's another instrument here. Let's hear that. All that, then the verse comes in. So let's hear that again. Now just the voice and the kick drum only here.
For eternity, sent from above. Now I'm so in love. Yeah. Could it be you really?
All right, so the kick I'm using as well, we can go through that. This is the first one, which is the main one. So what you can hear mostly on that one is what the low end. If I use that kick only, probably not gonna get any punch. Now let's see what I'm using the other one, what kick sample I'm using here. Okay, so this is what's giving me that punch and that little bit of mid-range and low mid in there. To using each one of them by themselves wouldn't work well. And let's actually try that. Let me mute one of them. You know what? There's something there that the kick is doing in him. Okay, nothing.
Could it be that we were made to be together for eternity, sent from above?
Okay, I'm gonna bring this in. So you can hear the added punch and weight, right? Using that second sample. At the beginning, didn't use that, wanted to keep it simple, and then introduced it as the song progresses, right? And then the snare also coming in. We can't ignore the hi-hat, right? We can hear it. So the hi-hat has been there from the beginning. I didn't talk about it. Let's see what it's doing. Solo the drums. As the tambourine to the left. Adding snap to the Okay. So that's that. There's a lot of percussive instrument going on here. You guys, I'm gonna play all the way up until here actually. So, let me go back here. So the verse now.
Eternity sent from above. Now I'm so here. Could it be you really do love me in spite of everything I've done? You proved to be.
Now the top end coming in here using the I synth, that has that top end. We've been keeping it a little bit mellow, but now we're trying to introduce some because the pre-chorus is coming and then the chorus start moving up, adding more interesting stuff in there. Okay.
Could it be that we were made to be together for eternity, sent from above? Now I'm so in love. Yeah. Could it be you really do love me in spite of everything I've done? You proved to be all that I need. Yeah. Well, I've been hurt so many times. See, I thought I would lose my mind, but I didn't know.
Okay, so the bass came in right in the verse, not exactly when the verse started, but after many bars, maybe 8 bars.
Together for
or 2
eternity,
bars.
sent from above.
And then different bass again. Boom, boom. And then another bass for the pre-chorus. Okay, so everything changed right in the chorus. So different bass
In spite
tone.
of everything I've done, you proved to be all that I need. Yeah. Well, I've been hurt so many times. See, I thought I would, but I didn't know that I could be loved this way. You are.
So I want to solo all the drums and the percussion, right? All those effects before the chorus, so you can hear the build up. Okay, I think that'll be good. So I'm gonna just start from maybe right here. Oh, maybe right here. Okay, so you can hear one is the snare drum roll right there. Is that 16? Yeah, that's got to be 16. And then some drop low effect right there. Boom. That's I believe from Cymatics, right? Urban Heat. Yeah, it's a kick drum. Maybe I reversed it. Maybe that's what I did. And then the sweep going, because that's kind of what you want to introduce the chorus with using some of these key elements to make it bigger, right? And also everyone is anticipating that drop. Okay, and then the chorus comes. I had this percussion here, so I must have played this one individually and then I summed it together. I'm sure that's what I did. Let's see if we're adding new instruments. So there's a new snare here too, right? It wasn't there before. We're adding that. Okay, that's enough of the percussion. Let's hear how we're building up to that chorus. See, there's not much going on with the song, really. This is all the instruments right here. But it's just being intentional on where you're placing things. Some things you bring in, some things you take out.
I didn't know that I could be loved this way. You are.
So just layering right here. Let's turn this up. Let's see what it's doing. Okay. All right, so that's what we're doing, right? Sometimes you have to kind of layer your synth to make it sound big. When you're doing that, so the kind of process, well, I'll say the logic you want to use is you want to have one that is maybe giving you like the extremely high frequency. Then you have one giving you some mid frequency and one giving you some low mid. All of those frequencies will overlap, but you want to focus your attention on that, right? That way you can get, especially in the chorus like this, something really big and full. If I had stuck to just one synth there, it wouldn't have the impact. Like this one right here sounds good by itself. Which one is that? Yeah, right. That sounds good by itself, and also this one. But it makes you feel differently too. They both sound different, but together they make the song really good. So let me just use that one. This one right here.
I could be loved this way. You are.
I'm gonna turn it up.